Do you need to learn French because you're traveling to France, but you don't know what to learn? I'm gonna help you to narrow down what you need to learn for your trip. Keep watching! Hi, this is Magali from Daily French Lesson, and on this channel I teach you how to learn French on your own and to speak French with confidence. So you're going to France and you would like to be able to communicate with people over there and to make sure that they understand you if you want to talk to them. Before you go there, you need to practice your pronunciation and your comprehension. To practice your comprehension, you can watch movies in French, TV shows, you can also listen to podcasts and find any resource that is in French that can help your brain to get immersed in this language. You can also watch this video about how to improve your comprehension. The different subjects you will need to learn if you travel there will be the greetings, how to introduce yourself. You can also practice the common questions and answers. There is a video about how to ask questions in French if you need to work on that. You need to know the numbers at least from 1 to 100 and then 100 to 100, 300 up to 1,000. Make sure you know the days of the week, the months, how to tell the time. This is very important. How to give directions to a driver or to someone, and to understand the direction that someone's gonna give you if you need to find your way. One that's very important is how to order at the restaurant, so to know the different dishes, to understand the different ingredients, to be able to order water, wine, everything you would like to try. If you are too lazy and you don't want to create this whole thing, I have the perfect ebook for you. I put everything that I'm telling you today in a document with the translation in English and French and the proper way to ask. You will find the casual and the formal way. So grab it now. It's in the description below. Look at what the people that got it are saying about it. Patricia says, "Thank you. The ebook is great. I feel like I'll be in good shape for my trip next year. I'll master all of the statements that you provided. I feel like it's a good investment." Amanda says, "This is the most useful resource I have found for learning conversational French. It's in depth with everything I need to know and at the same time not overwhelming. I would recommend this guidebook for anyone with plans of traveling to France. A must-have on my packing list." So if you really want to know what's the most important thing to know if you travel to France, grab my ultimate guide to survive in France right now. Okay, so go back to what to know. So how to order food, the different beverages. If you are allergic to certain things, then make sure you know how to say that. You can also know the useful items, fork, blanket, whatever you might need at the restaurant. Then you can also practice the vocabulary at the hotel or an Airbnb or whatever accommodation you're gonna get over there. You can also learn the vocab for the airport, the train station, how to purchase a ticket, how to ask for things over there, if maybe you lose your suitcases or something, who knows. Also practice the vocabulary of like asking for help, going to the doctor, and going to the pharmacy. If you need to practice your pronunciation, you might know all this vocabulary, but you're not sure about the pronunciation. You can use the app Say Hi Translate and use it to practice your pronunciation. So you can say the sentence in English, they will say it in French, and then vice versa. You can say it in French and then they will tell you in English if they understood what you meant. Make sure you know the vocabulary of the bank in case you need to withdraw some money. Don't forget that you need to practice the casual and formal French. You will need to use both over there. So that's it. I think you're ready to go to France. Just tell me in the comment when you are going, and don't forget to grab my ultimate guide to survive in France.